So the process to change miles to kilometers on Apple Maps is quite easy and simple. For now, you can see it is in miles, and to change it to kilometers, it is simple. Close the app, go to settings on iPhone. Once you are here, scroll down a bit, and here you can see general. Tap on general, scroll down a bit, and here you can see language and region. Tap on this, scroll down a bit. So basically, it is an issue with the measurement system. The miles is for the US, and if you want to change into kilometers, you need to go to measurement system and here select metric. And once you do so, close the settings, close the maps, open it again. And if I go and put the same location, you can see it is in kilometers now. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to change miles to kilometers on Apple Maps. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.